Welcome. In this session, we are going to understand how to scan a network using Network Mapper tool in Android applications. What you can do is, Nmap project is developed by David Fyodor and is managed on the website secwiki.org. For Nmap, there is an Android version available which can be downloaded from the bottom link and can be compiled and can be installed into system with the following set of commands. At the moment, what we are going to do, we are going to make use of an Android application which is available on Play Store, which is pre-compiled, and you can directly download it and use it for penetration testing purposes. Now once we proceed to the next part, here you can see that there are multiple links available here which manage latest versions of Android, and you can proceed to one of this wherein security list is maintaining individual Android versions on Amazon Web Services, and this latest version can be downloaded with the help of your Network Mapper application. So what we are going to do, we are going to make use of an Android application which is Network Mapper, and you can search Network Mapper on Play Store. You can download and install it, and you can execute individual commands. Now what next we like to do, we are going to make use of our Android device. We are going to Play Store, from where we are going to download the application Network Mapper. On Play Store, you can simply type in Network Mapper and you're going to get the search suggestions to download Network Mapper. As soon as we click on it, we're going to get this application. We're going to click Install Network Mapper on our devices. We're going to click Accept, and we'll get started with download and installation of Network Mapper here. Once this application is installed, for the very first time, if you are installing this application, it needs Nmap to be installed and downloaded. We are going to download Nmap binary. We'll click on yes. The binary will be downloaded. Once the binary will be downloaded, it will be extracted, and you can see that the latest is being downloaded from s3amazonaws.com, which is maintained by Nmap project. Once download and extraction is done, we are going to make use of Nmap on our local machine. Here, yes, we like to download scripts and services as well. So yes, I would like to say yes, download and extract. So once all the scripts will be extracted and download, we will be able to execute network Nmap scripting engine, and we can execute multiple scripts for WebDAV scanning, port scanning, version detection, and a lot more. So once we are done with this, now we have got all the things installed, and now we can execute commands which can help us scan networks and identify vulnerabilities in the networks. So for the very first thing which we have is, on the left hand side you can see that you have some examples which you can quickly use and perform scanning. Once you're done with this, you can execute individual commands within your target section, and you can click on scan. To do this, I would like to take you some of the famous cheat sheets which are available, and here we have a sample cheat sheet which says which is the latest from January 2017, and it gives you best way to discover the network. So now what we are going to do, let's say we are going to perform a network discovery, and here it is saying as ICMP ping can be blocked on a network, we should also check some additional ports directory, and it's worth trying not only standard echo ICMP request, but we can use TCP ping scan as well, and timestamp and address mask request. To do this, we'll go to our mobile device and we are going to perform the scan. Since we are already on Nmap, we're going to make use of option -PE, option -P, port specified. Let's say we like to specify some ports like 80, 443. Let's say we would like to scan 22, 21, SSL port 23, and many more ports are available which we can use. Later what we can do is, we can proceed to the next part and we can specify the target, the subnet mask, and verbose. So now in order to do that, I would like to take a space here. I would like to specify my complete network discovery. So I am on a network 192.168. Let's say we are here at 43.0. 43 is my network identifier, and 0 will be my host on my subnet mask 24, and I would like all of these things to be verbose. So once we are done with this, we are going to click on scan, and once we begin scan, you can see that our scan has started, and quickly we got some finished statements, and this command has been executed. But since we have to specify commas and the comma has not been specified, hence the ports have not been scanned, so you can remove this commas from here, and let's say we are going to simply specify the IP address, and let's say we like to get started with the scan. And now you can see that the scan has quickly been started, and now you have got all the scan has been executed. We have identified 2 hosts are up on this network. So let me just go to the top and like to see the report generated by this network mapper. Now what you can see is, once we have executed the command on our machine PS80 on this host network, since we were not root, TCP ping scan has been done rather than ICMP, and we have one host up, which is my mobile device, which has the IP address 43.1, and another host which we have, so 0, all these hosts are down. So the first host which has been discovered was 43.1, which belongs to my mobile device, and here we have that information. This is your 43.1 machine, and it has been identified that here are some of the common ports which has been scanned on these hosts. So on 102 machine, which is my Windows computer, if we open computer here and if we perform IP configuration command, you can see that Windows computer has allotted 192.168.43.102. So this is like a command for network discovery. Whatever hosts are available on the network will be scanned for open ports, and then we can proceed to attacks on these multiple ports available. So now you can see that we have various ports like MSRPC, NetBIOS session, RSTP, IIS, and many more. So once we have extracted these information out, we can specifically proceed to attacking the machines. We have various other Nmap cheat sheets available, and one such cheat sheet is maintained at github.io, which is one of the latest cheat sheets created in 2016, and it's like very comprehensive. You have a list of all the command cheat sheet. You have full commands for host discovery, for performance, evasion, additional information, output, and you can get some useful tips as well. And you can execute different scripts for scanning, broadcast, route, and a lot more. So as soon as you proceed with all these commands, you can perform different scanning techniques using your mobile device over a network, and you can get ample information from the network, and then you can proceed to fingerprinting and hacking into the networks. Thank you for watching.